Hi guys, so we're in Google. I'm just going to search XAMPP download. And now it comes up with the download XAMPP page. I'm just going to click on there. So basically, we can see 7.37 PHP. I want to click on the blue button so that I can download that version. And that should pop up in the bottom left-hand corner. Excellent, great. So that's finished downloading. I'm just going to click on that exe file and load that. May ask you to click on yes if it asks you for a security precaution. Please do so if it does. So we're just waiting for that to load for the installer. So it's loading now. Just click on OK. Okay, now I'm just going to click next. Next for these, next for that, next, and next again. Just allow that to install. Now obviously I've sped this video up for the convenience. But normally it may take a bit longer depending on the system that you're running. So now I pick our language, American English. And now we can see that Apache and MySQL are running. So what we're going to do to test it is to type in localhost in the search URL and search that. Excellent, so it's working perfectly. So now we're ready to proceed on to the next tutorial.